Blythe, listen. I have a really good idea. Bubnobia. That's Sweeney.
Ameer, what about this one? It has some green on it. Your favorite color.
House.
Bubnobia!
Okay, Acordia, good joke. We know you like playing tricks. Happy Halloween! Come on, let's go have some fun.
But this is fun! Don't you just love tricks?
I think I prefer the treats part of Halloween.
And I much prefer making decorations.
You're galore.
Acordia, look, I'm a pumpkin.
Huh?
A dancing pumpkin. What was that noise?
Okay, Kuan, we know it's just another funny trick.
A papuka! A ghost? Where? Papuka!
Kuan, this is a terrible trick. There's no ghost here.
I thought we finished playing Bobnobia and we were going to decorate.
Tiara, stop! It's a puka!
Huh? Wait a second.
Bubnobia! Sloan.
It was cheap.
That trick was too scary.
Yeah, that's not how we like to play Bubnobia.
I guess not everyone likes when tricks are played.
Oh, sorry, Acordia. We thought it would be fun to play some tricks.
Tá broner, Acordia.
That's okay. Come on, it's pumpkini time.
Bubnobia!
I don't know, Pip. I think I've had enough Bubnobia for today.
Oscalea Chara?
Huh? Oh, wow! Thank you, Pip.
Thank you, Pip. This is our house.
Girl, Margaret.
Hí ha hana chuna, Fáistí.